You guys, guess what finally came? I am so excited. We're gonna open it and try it together. This is the new flavor, the Jet Puff cereal bar, which I am so excited. We just did the Jet Puff s'mores, and that one was fantastic. So let's, we're gonna do this together, like I said. So let's open this bad boy up. My mouth is already drooling. You guys, look at that. Oh! Are you kidding? There's literal marshmallow fluff on the top. And it's a cashew butter, which is my favorite. All right, let's mix this bad boy up. And there's Rice Krispies in there. You guys, look at how good this looks. Can you see the marshmallow fluff in there? All right. Let's try it out. Stop, that is so freaking good. That is dangerous. That marshmallow fluff and the little crunch from the Rice Krispies. Ooh, that one's gonna have to stay hidden in the back. Otherwise, I am going to annihilate this. Go get this right now, you guys. Right now. Fit Butters. Code Jordan. Go run. Sprint. Crawl. Log roll. I don't care, but go get it. Right now.